Before the opening bell, U.S. futures, they remain on the downside after they dropped over 2% yesterday. Now, as expected, the U.S. Federal Reserve keeping its key interest rate unchanged. However, investors alarmed by the central bank saying that the pace of economic recovery and employment has moderated in recent months. This all as 85% of S&P 500 constituents traded lower or unchanged yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, we first have Apple in the headlines, dipping post-market on cautious outlook as the company did not provide guidance for the current quarter. Also, Apple warning that AirPods sales, its growth, could slow during this upcoming quarter. And then Tesla in the headlines, dropping after hours after reporting fourth quarter EPS of 80 cents. That's below expectations of $2.14 1 year earlier. And then there's Facebook losing some ground in an extended trade as the company expects to face significant uncertainty, citing advertising targeting headwinds during the year 2021. Now, in terms of expectations today, we do have a busy docket. We do have the combination of results from MasterCard, Danaher, Visa, Mondelez International. While on the economic docket today before the opening bell, 8:30 in the morning, we have the release of the fourth quarter GDP price index, the goods trade balance, wholesale inventories, as well as both initial and continuing jobless claims figures. And then after the opening bell, we have the release of new home sales figures. Taking a look now with markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin. Its key resistance, 3763, and that's in focus. As long as 3763 is the resistance, look for choppy price action with a bearish bias. Short positions below 3763 are favored with targets at 3705 and 3690 in extension. Moving on, the Nasdaq happens to have its watch level at 12,880. This while the Dow Jones intraday sees its key resistance 30,320.